Well, hello, it's Alex and welcome back to my Crafty Lounge. Today I'm going to show you my Michaels haul featuring the 365 Happy Planner collection. So first I want to show you this budget extension pack. And so I'm in the Happy Planner group on Facebook, one of the Happy Planner groups. I forget which one, but there is a lady in there who's a fellow YouTuber, and she was showing how she used this to just pay off some credit card debt, and I just thought, you know what, let me give this a try. I like it. So I love that little like mason jar graphic with where you can put your goals each month and fill up the jar with your. So this is the month at a glance. So they have different categories, and they have common, most everyone has just rent and these type of bills in each categories, and they also give you empty slots so that you can add anything that's not on here. And so it comes with an undated month on 2 pages. So what I would do with these pages is go ahead and write my actual bills on there, because when you're, you know, like at a planner meetup, you kind of don't want to have your personal information out where people can flip through it. So I like that this little extension pack is available, and I can just keep this one at home. So this was my favorite part of this extension pack. This is the expense tracker. So you'll write down all your expenses, the date, the amount, the category, and what you used for to pay for it. And then the best part is that you have to actually, well, you don't have to, but you have this need or want column, and so it kind of forces you to realize, did you actually need that item, or was it something that you just wanted? And so you get quite a few sheets of those. There's a budget review, and I love dot grid, so I'm excited to use that. And so basically there's just, so it looks like there's 6 months worth of these month on 2 pages, but you've got plenty of extra sheets in here, so I think you can get away with using this for the whole year. They're not incredibly expensive. This package was $9.99, and they had a 60% off sale, and they always have sales, so it was only like $3.99, I believe. And so this back divider is actually a pocket folder, and it's pretty like laminated, sturdy, almost like chip. Well, yeah, it's like laminated, sturdy divider, so you can put receipts in there. And it also comes with these sticker sheets. So these definitely are for bill paying. These are like motivational stickers to keep you on track with your budget. And I love that it has these stickers for your months. Since they are undated, you can easily use those and keep track of your months. So let me set this aside. The next thing I got was just filler paper, and these are 24 sheets, and they're just like these to-do lists with the little bullet where you can check it off. And it comes with So I love, love, love pink. And I love this hot pink color. So you've got the checklist in the front. The back is just lined. No, actually that one has the checklist also. Very cool. And then you've got some dot grid sheets. And then a whole stack of the grids. So I'm gonna totally use these in my planner to just jot some notes down. So this is the planner that I ended up getting. I am not too picky about which one I was gonna get. I wasn't sure. What I was really sure about is that I wanted just something very neutral, and I wanted it to be a vertical planner. The Michaels I went to didn't have a huge selection, but I was happy with this one. It has just the vertical, and it's really neutral. The weekends are not shaded, so I like that. And so I was like, okay, I wish I had gotten the black rings, but not super important. So this is the planner. You've got your year on one sheet, and you've got 2018-2019 on there. So it starts with January and goes through December, so it's a 12-month. And then you've got your monthly goals there, a little note section. There's a box for birthdays in January, and I have a lot of family with birthdays in January, so I will use that. Some important reminders, a slot for that. And then I love this rose gold foiling. Very cool. So I'm a big dot grid fan, so I was pretty, like, when I saw that, I was like, okay, this is the planner I want. I like the font. I love that it's just neutral. This thing, I kind of thought that it was plain, but it's pretty light, so it's not going to bother me too much. We'll see. I'm going to have to probably washi it, actually, now that I think of it, because I really just wanted it to be neutral, and I just want to add my own color scheme. So it's a vertical layout. I love that the boxes are just completely neutral, no shading in here. This thing, I might have to figure out how to cover up that color, and also this stuff, but it's fine because I get to use my washi. And so, yep, that's it. February, it's the same layout, just a different color. I like the color in here. I just don't necessarily like it in the monthly and weekly. But like I said, I'll probably just cover that up. And so here is the March one. Here's April. Sorry, let me just move this around. Get some stability. Here is May, and my birthday month, June. Ooh, I love that. The lashes. I woke up like this. Okay, July with the diamonds. August, my mom's birthday month. Don't give up. Good things take time. Oh, I love that. She would say something like that. So September. Nice quote there. October. Very nice. November, and here's the December. So, yep, I'm actually really happy with this planner that I chose. So, let me show you what else I got. So I got this little 3-pack notebook of pocket size. So let me just open it up. And you guys know that I probably have a million notebooks and I do not need this, but I couldn't resist. I wanted to try out the paper, and they were having like a 60% off sale, so said why not. I hardly ever go to Michael's. I mostly just buy I pretty much everything I buy crafty is just from Fun Stampers Journey, so because I get a discount. I'm a coach and I really like our stuff, so I don't need to go to Michael's usually. So this is just plain paper. It's I mean, it's not super thin, but it's pretty thin. And this is like little dot grid paper. I imagine the paper weight is the same. Oh, that's kind of bugging me. Yeah, it's okay quality. I think this 3-pack was, let me see. So yeah, this 3-pack was with the 60% off, it was $2.79. So less than $1, a little booklet. Yeah, I guess it's not too bad because it does come with this week on one page that you can put in your pocket notebook. So that's kind of why I got it. I thought this would be perfect for my little Planner Society pocket notebook that I have. Or I could even put it in my personal. And I like the, they had a ton of different designs for the notebooks. And of course you can always just cover them up. So another thing that I got, and this was just taking advantage of that sale, this weekly meal plan. So these are loose, and it's, I believe it was like 60 sheets in here, and they go in your planner. So you can put it in your planner and then just like clip it in there, like in your week, basically. So you can put your week in there of what you have planned to eat, like grocery shopping list here, or even just like sticky this, fold it, put it in your regular planners. So another thing that I got at Michael's was this shaker dashboard. It's kind of like a New Year's theme, but it's totally fine for all year long. And this is a standard size, so it fits in your standard size traveler's notebooks. It's a 2-pack, so I'm going to keep one and give one to a friend of mine. Isn't that super cute? I love it. And you can totally make your own on these, but I just really like the colors, and I was like, well, I'll just be lazy, make some next time. Another thing that I got was this Rhodia dot pad, and I've already kind of like folded it. It comes with these creases in there, so you fold it there once and then fold it back, and you can put like a clip on it if you want, or you don't have to. You can just leave it as is, but I like the paper quality of it. Just, I mean, I haven't even tested it in the pen, but just feeling it, I liked it. It's a little bit thicker than this paper for those little notebooks, but I thought like this is going to be perfect to just like sit down on my desk and jot down quick notes. So I love dot grid, like I've said probably a million times already on this video. So I thought I would give that a try. These are $5.99 regular price, and I used a 50% off coupon. So it was like $2.99, $3, something like that. And last but not least, I got this Happy Planner sticker rolls. They didn't have that many because I went really late in the afternoon, so I'm pretty sure all the planner girls got to them first. So this is all that was left. It was, they had a few different other ones, but like the productivity and appointments, travel, but I thought I would give this fitness one a try. And so like I watched Stephanie Fleming's YouTube, where she just like showed you just take this thing off, any day now. And then you put them back in there, and then you can just have it like dispense out. I think that's what she did. But how does it, hold on. Yeah, she had it like dispensing out, but how do you, I guess if you just leave it like that, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I think she did, what did she do? She showed a trick where like you washi it back this way, but then have it, I think that's what it was. You washi this here and then leave it like that, and then it would just like, you can pull on it. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So let me just quickly show you. So these are like little meal plan stickers, and you can just, these are kind of cool because they can go on, I have, you know, personal size and some TNs or my A5. I can use these in any of my planners. And then just to like keep track of your different workouts, your weigh-ins, and an activity log. So I like that one. I also like, I really like the steps one. I have a Fitbit, but I don't, it's a really old Fitbit, like the Fitbit 1. And I don't think I've used it in over a year, but I have like the Apple Watch, so I actually use that for tracking my steps. So yep, that is it. I just wanted to share my Michael's Crafty haul with you guys, and thank you for watching.